Good afternoon, all of you. Class 9, Computer Application Unit 3rd. Microsoft Office Tool. Word processing. Tick the correct option. Which of the following is not a font style? That is caption. Which among the following group of the Home tab allow you to make the text bold font tag? Which among the following tab is used to add a header and a footer? Insert tab. What is the default font in the Word? That is Calibri. Grammatical error are shows using a blue wave line. Which tab contains the spelling and grammar command? That is review. Which tab contains the symbol command? Insert. The subscript and superscript command is present in which group of the home tab? That is font. Which group of insert tab is used to insert equation in Word? Symbol. Which tab present you with the new comments command? That is review. Which among the following command is not present in a comments group of review tab? That is show comment. Which option of the insert tab do you find way to insert a mathematical formula? That is equation. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is the default name of the Word document, that is document 1. Second, to type a series of capital letter, the caps lock on the keyboard should be pressed. Third wala, to save and open a Word document, the file tab is used. Save और open करने के लिए file tab का यूज़ करते हैं. Left alignment is the default alignment of the Word. वर्ड में लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट डिफ़ॉल्ट अलाइनमेंट होती है. द फंक्शन की F7 इज़ यूज टू स्टार्ट विद द स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेक. Grammatical and punctuation mistake is a document are shown in a wave blue underline. The symbol command is present on the insert tab of symbol group. A printout that you obtain on a paper is called hard copy. Question answer. What is a font? Font face or font typeface is a design of a set of characters, include letters, numbers, symbols and punctuation mark. What are the different type of alignment in a Word? There are 4 type of alignment in Word: left, right, center, justify. How are the spelling grammatical mistakes shown in a Word document? Spelling and grammatical mistake are shown using red wave underline and grammatical mistake are shown using the blue wave underline. Which group of tab contain the tracer command? Proofing group. What are the table in words? Tables in Word are used to show tabular data in the form of row and column. What is auto format? Auto format controls some mirror tags for the mirror tags formatting as you type. Which command and tab allow you to insert a mathematical formula into a document? On internet tab in the symbol group, we can insert the mathematical formula in a document. PowerPoint. Fill in the blanks. A slide is a single page of a digital presentation created using PowerPoint. The 2 tabs of header and footer dialogues are slide and notes and handout. The picture command of the insert tab is presented in image group. The customer path option always you to define your own path for the animation. The media group of insert tab allow you to insert audio video clip into the slide. PowerPoint presentation has .pptx extension. State true or false. You cannot have a blank slide layout in a presentation. False. Save command may be used to save a presentation. True. A placeholder allow you to insert only image into a slide. False. Normal view is a view that shows a thumbnail of each slide in order. False. Handout view is a view that allow you to get printout of your slide for a handout. True. Text box command of a drawing group is used to insert text. True. A basic element of presentation is slide. A presentation is a process of presenting a topic to audience using a computer to display text, graphics and video. True. Short short answer type question. What is a presentation? Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphically application that is used to present a topic to an audience using a lecture demonstration followed by the visual. The basic elements of presentation is slide. What is the element of slide? The basic element of slide include title, subtitle, text, shape, picture, chart, graph, audio video clip and transition. Question number 3. What is the extension of PowerPoint presentation? That is .pptx. Write the difference way to slide view. First is normal view, slide sorter and handout. Write down the categories of animation effects. There are 4 categories of animation effects that you can choose from in PowerPoint, namely first, entrance, emphasize, exit and motion paths. What is a slideshow? The slideshow is a final result of presentation which may be displayed to a group of audience using a overhead projector. This view allows you to organize to display slideshow including which slides to show and at what sequence, whether to run the show automatically or manually. Which slide to show and what sequence, whether to run the show automatically or manually. Transition between slides, animation on individual slide, interaction, what happens when you click a button or a link. Next one is a Microsoft Excel 2016. Fill in the blanks. A separate sheet is a computer application that helps in organize analyzing information in tabular form. A workbook is a file in which data is kept in worksheet. Third, you can even change the background color of a cell in Excel. 4. A cell is a space where a column and row inserted. 5th, a cell having a cell pointer on it is called active cell. 6. In worksheet you have 16,384 columns and name using alphabets. 7. In a worksheet you have 10,48,576 row in Excel 2016. 8 number, the quick access toolbar contains the save, undo and redo buttons by default. 9 number, a worksheet is a contain of workbook. 10 number, cell reference referred to a cell name that consists of column name followed by row number. Question number next, take the correct option. Which among the following Microsoft package is a separate sheet application? That is Excel. What is total number of row in Excel? That is 10,48,576. The cell which is currently being used is called active cell. Which of the following shows the reference to the active cell? That is name box. Which of the following function key is used for editing in cell? That is F2. Next one is true false. You can even change the background color of cell in Excel. That is true. You can insert a sheet in Excel by clicking on the plus button beside the sheet tab, that is true. You can have maximum 10,000 rows in Excel worksheet, that is false. In the Excel worksheet, there are maximum 1028 column, that is false. An active cell always has a thick border around it, that is true. The content of a row or column cannot be deleted, that is false. Question and answer. Differentiate between a workbook and worksheet. A worksheet is an object of separate sheet program where the data is arranged in the form of row and column for manipulation. Workbook is a file in which data is kept in a worksheet. Thus, a workbook may contain several worksheets having the default name as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 as so and so. By default, only one sheet is shown, that is sheet 1. What are the total number of row and column in an Excel sheet? There are 10,48,576 row and 16,384 column in Excel. What is cell range? A group of adjacent cell is called cell range. What is an active cell? The cell which is active and currently being used for data entry or editing is called active cell. State the step involved in directly editing the cell contents. The step involved in directly editing the cell contents are: double click or press the function key F2 on the cell that contain the information to be changed. The cell is open for direct editing. Third one is make the necessary corrections. Fourth, press enter key on the keyboard to complete the entry. How do you select the range of cell? Click on cell and drag along to select a range of cell. What is autofill? Excel can be identify a progression in a series when two numbers are filled into adjacent cell to fill up the remaining numbers using autofill. How do you change the background color of cell in Excel? To change background color, select cell or range or cell. From the fill color drop down list, selected the desired color. The default background color in Excel is white.